the biological classification, the next kingdom is Kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae includes all multicellular, eukaryotic plants which have the ability of autotrophic type of nutrition, but it is not like all the individuals which are kept under Plantae or autotrophic in their nature. The one which have the autotrophic nature, these are chlorophyllous and photosynthetic in their nature. But at the same time, as I am discussing that some of them are heterotrophic in their nature also. Like let us take some nature, like some of them are partial heterotrophs. Like this type of nature can be seen in bladderwort, that is in Utricularia, Venus flytrap, pitcher plant and Dionia. Like many such examples are there which are partial heterotrophs. Despite of that one, they have been kept under Kingdom Plantae. And there are some parasitic plants are also there, like Cuscuta. Here this Cuscuta is an angiospermic plant which depend upon other angiospermic plants for the nutrition, which will acquire the food and water from the host plant by producing special structures called as hostoria. These are called as parasitic roots. So this type of plants are also been kept under Plantae. And if you see the characteristic features which are exhibited by the Plantae group of individuals, they have cell wall. The cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cellulosic cell wall is present, and all cell organelles are present, including mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, and also ATS type of ribosomes. Exceptionally, like in some of the members, they are not very much prominent, and they perform, they have protoplasm with a vacuole and nucleus in their organization. Then these are the individuals which will take up the energy from sunlight, and carbon from inorganic carbon dioxide, and by using the chlorophyll molecule in presence of sunlight, and they will take up water from soil to perform photosynthetic process. Plantae contains algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. The Plantae group of individuals will exhibit growth and development, and they participate in vegetative, asexual and the sexual method of reproductions. Here the individual characteristic features of algae, bryophyta, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms will be dealt in the next part of our syllabus in plant kingdom.